The price ladder. Price ladder module allows you to view the depth of market values for a certain contract. As most modules, it consists of two main areas: the toolbar at the top for setting the contract, the book type, the account, and the rendering mode, and the actual ladder. The toolbar. First, you can see a contract field where you can either type in your desired symbol, or you can use the advanced symbol lookup. We're just going to type it in for now. Next, you can switch between three book types: the implied, the outright, and the combined mode. Next, you can see an order entry account selector. This account selector is special as it allows you to override the globally selected account visible here in the main toolbar. This means that all of the orders that you will place from this price ladder will be placed for this account. Other modules will always be in sync with the current account that you have globally selected up here at the top. Last, you can switch between the condensed and the expanded mode to see more prices. The ladder. The ladder continuously updates and centers after the last price. If you scroll away from the last, you will see some hints guiding you back to the centered last. Once you start scrolling back, it will automatically jump to the centered last. To place an order from price ladder, you can select the actions from one of the two order entry columns. Simply click on the icon and select your desired action. The appropriate place order dialog will be displayed.